Hello guys, my name is Trisha Purwata. You can call me Hina. I'm from the Core of Management.
Hello everyone, my name is Azah Obianur Fadila. You can call me Azah. I'm from Dakwah Management.
Hello everyone, I'm Octavia Naika. You can call me Okta. I'm from the Core of Management. Hi guys, what are you drinking today?
I bought a cup of coffee. It's my favorite drink. Really, I don't like coffee. My favorite drink is boba milk tea.
Mm, nice, my favorite drink is orange juice.
Orange juice is refreshing, especially on a hot day.
Wow, actually, I drink it after lunch.
I love sweet drinks, so I always choose boba milk tea. Do you often buy boba? Maybe 2 or 3 times a week. I know it's a little expensive, but I really enjoy it.
What's your favorite flavor?
Brown sugar with extra boba.
That sounds good. I usually drink a coffee every morning because help me stay awake. You make it the coffee at home? Sometimes I usually buy it from the cafe nearby house.
I don't drink coffee because I can't sleep if I drink it at night.
That's true. Coffee has a lot of caffeine. I prefer drink orange juice because it's more healthy and full of vitamins.
Do you make it by yourself?
Yes, sometimes my mom often makes oranges at home.
Fresh juice is better than bottled juice. I agree. I also like fruit juice, especially mango juice.
Yeah, I love mango juice too.
Besides coffee, something I drink milk chocolate. It's really tasty. Yes, chocolate milk is perfect when the weather is cool.
If we go to cafe together, what would you to order?
I would order an ice latte. I would definitely order boba milk tea.
Mm, and I would order a glass of a large oranges.
It's really funny. That's all have different favorite drink. Yes, but that makes our conversation interesting.
I think everything has their own special taste.
That's true. The important thing is enjoying it with friends. I agree. Drinking together is more fun than drinking alone.
Speaking of drink, I think I have a thirst now.
Me too. Why don't we go to cafeteria? Great idea. Maybe I can buy favorite boba.
And I once ordered some oranges.
Then let's go before the break is over. Okay, let's go.
Come on.
Everyone.
Right now we arrive in our cafeteria.
Our cafeteria.
Hmm.
Hi guys, this is my favorite drink. It's iced coffee.
And this is my favorite drink is oranges.
And this is my favorite drink is boba milk tea.